Day in early October. What is the day? The 5th, I think. October 4, 2014. And I just acquired another little outboard motor, another Elgin. I think it's 2.5 horse. I'm not certain of the year. It would be around 53, 55, somewhere in there. I haven't quite figured out their serial number system yet. Anyway, I spent some time getting spark in on it. It had no spark. Cleaned the carburetor. Carburetor wasn't too bad, but I couldn't get any spark out of it. I set the points at 20 thousandths and cleaned them and everything. Could not get any spark out of it. Checked the coil. The coil was fine. So I set the points a little closer. I set them at 16 thousandths of an inch. Lo and behold, I had spark. I've seen that happen before. You know, maybe the magnets are just a little out of time or something on the flywheel. I don't know. Anyway, I've had it running and it runs nice. So we'll start it up for a little demonstration here in the barrel. Maybe later on, if we get some nice weather, we'll do a boat demonstration. It's always kind of hard to do this with one hand while trying to hold the camera here. Let's see, I'll zoom out all the way. Yeah, we're zoomed out all the way. Here we go. Well, better give it a choke. It runs pretty smooth. It's pumping lots of water. Pumping water gangbusters. I think this motor is a low-hour motor. I don't think it has many hours on it. It's a single cylinder. I think it's 2.5 horsepower. Seems to run pretty good. Having a little trouble at an idle. It either wants to run too rich or it leans out and then stalls. I can't seem to get that dialed in. Very small adjustments and it just won't seem to dial in. It will idle down. Then she'll start four-cycling, start four-stroking. There's four-stroking. If I lean it out anymore, it'll run for a little bit and then stall. So I got to figure out what's going on there. It's overall in pretty nice condition for, mid-50s motor. It hasn't been all beat up. There's no dents in the tank, a couple of little scratches, but the tank isn't all beat up like you see a lot of them. Somebody took care of it or didn't use it very much. Hit the side of the barrel with the propeller a little bit there. I'm anxious to get her on the boat, see how it'll run on the boat. A lot of prop cavitation. Splashed too much water out of the barrel a little bit earlier. It's a nice running motor. I'm real happy with it. You can still read the serial number on the decal, which is pretty unusual. Most of the numbers are gone, but it does have the numbers stamped on the engine block. anybody can tell me what year this motor is, it's 571-58401. I'd appreciate it if you could tell me exactly what year it is. I haven't figured out their numbering system yet. Let's idle her down a little bit here. And she's going back into 4-stroking mode here. Where did I put my little screwdriver? That's the one bad thing about these. You got to have a screwdriver to adjust the carburetor. Yeah, I don't know where I put it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Someday we'll get it out on the boat when it's a little nicer weather. Thanks for watching.